Just going to be rolling through here using the pedal assist today. No throttle, none of that stuff. So getting a workout and getting out on these pretty trails. That rattling you hear is my side stand and the tools that I have in the bag on the back. These e-bike side stands always a rattle, but they're just so convenient to have that I kind of put up with the rattling. You know, you're always looking for a place to prop the bike up or laying it down in the dirt if you don't have one of those. We're heading into the first part of the trail where there might be quite a bit of snow. We'll see. Might have all melted off. Speaking of snow, they're expecting snow again tomorrow night, so glad I'm out today riding. This is looking great. I thought there'd be a lot more snow. This spot right here is pretty technical. There are days if I'm feeling real solid and like my balance is good, that I'll go ahead and ride through this. But today isn't one of them. So I'm gonna just push this on through. For a second. So this is the little obstacle that we just walked down. Stair steps, but you got to be careful because you can hit cranks very easily on this. And here's what I'm riding today. It's a fun bike. It's very compact from seat to bars, and I feel like it's a little bit tight for me. I think this bike would honestly be perfectly suited for someone 5'10" or shorter. 5'6" right in there would be ideal. I wouldn't, 6 foot riders on these, you're gonna feel cramped, that's for sure. But this is a great spot here. One of the more technical spots on the trail. We've got some good climbing coming up that also has some big rock features right at the top that can be a challenge. I'll probably end up walking those today just because I don't have great balance today. That's why I'm just doing a leisurely trail ride here. On days when you don't feel too oh man, Cyrusher, what are you thinking? Reversing levers on me. Your right lever on this particular bike controls your front brake, and your left lever controls your rear brake. That's more like a ATV, because with a motorcycle, at least you've got the same thing. You've got the right controlling your front brake, but your left is your clutch, and you're braking with your right foot. But when you go and switch bicycle, like just there, I was trying to lock up my rear for a second, and I locked up the front without thinking about it, This thing's gonna make me crash one of these days because the levers are reversed. If I was gonna be riding this bike a whole lot, I would definitely reverse those levers, put them in the more traditional right rear, left front configuration. See, that one I was able to use the rear on, and so I was thinking about it, but it's not a natural reaction. That's it for this one. Ugh. Hello. Hey, thank you. Thanks.